Hey guys, in today's video I am doing an unboxing video. I bought myself the Imac 27-inch 5K machine and it arrived today, so I am super excited to unbox it, and I'm probably gonna get some help from my kitties. I'm going to open it right now. Super excited. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. And on the top here it's something you pull. Keyboard and mouse. Behind here is the power cable. So this is my old setup, and I'm just going to plug this out and remove it and replace it with this one. So that was my unboxing video. I really hope you guys liked this video. Remember to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!